Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now that we are done with the procedure of the skin Moroccan traditional treatment, let me just give you a little general overview. Now, we have used the loofah to rub your skin. Basically, if you want, you can just avoid using every single piece of this, and you can just focus on rubbing your entire body after you soak in water for a good amount of time to get all the dead skin cells. You got our pumice stone that you can actually use for your dry elbow, your dry heels, knees also. Rubbing in circular motions. The rose water, which is the magical element used in every single procedure in these. We have our hand natural lotion. You can use it also for your body, not just your hand. Our clay, I told you that it's going to be a little bit dry, but you can always warm your water that we have used here to just turn it back to the paste that it was. Of course, you can use the plants that you would like to use. And then we have the traditional Moroccan black soap, which you use as a moisturizer. Now, these are all the elements used in our beautiful, natural, organic Moroccan spa. Basically, we have avoided the expensive and high costs of the Moroccan spas all over the world. They're very expensive and very rare to find. But you can shower every day or every weekend using these. And these are just quite cheap when you're gonna buy them, but still perfect and effective result.